yeah, I hardly can find products that are good for my hair. I'm gonna be sharing with you this product that I recently landed on. You guys, I was so excited when I saw this. Yes guys, aloe vera plant. This is a product that is a multi-use product. Like, you can use this product for a lot of things. It also acts like a humectant, just like glycerin and all of that. It attracts moisture.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry, it hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking of me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking of me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you.
Did this on myself to try to learn how to flat twist, and yeah, and then the rest of the hair I put it in mini twists because I couldn't flat twist all my entire head of hair as I was learning. But yeah, so I put my hair in this protective style, and then the rest of the hair I put twists at the back. I'm gonna be moisturizing that using the aloe vera we just made, and I always like to share with you guys when I use certain things or certain products. And yeah, so this is the twist at the back, and my hair is pretty much still moisturized, not so much, but we're gonna use the aloe vera gel. I'm gonna be using my aloe vera gel that we just made right now. I put it in this applicator bottle. I'm gonna be sealing all this moisture in by my coconut oil. Good at penetrating through the hair shaft and providing that really good treatment or penetration through your hair. I love it. And you can actually apply this aloe vera on your skin and wash it off afterwards.
You know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, Won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe.
And after you squeeze it in, you want to seal your hair with some oil, and some light oil is good.
Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me?
And with aloe vera, you kind of feel the immediate effect that it has on your hair. So your hair is gonna feel so soft. It's going to have a really good shine. It's going to look and feel very moisturized. So you can apply this on freshly washed hair. You can apply it on old hair. Like for mine, it's a week old. So I'm just kind of like re-moisturizing. You can also put it in a spritz bottle, and you can just use the water to put on straight on your hair and squeeze it in. So it's really a good moisturizer, you guys. You can see how beautiful my hair looks. It's very, very good for moisturizing and providing shine and health, especially towards the ends of your hair. That's where you want the aloe vera. That's where I like to put it, honestly.
Till you're here, you're miles away. It's safe to say, it's almost like you disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so.
And you can see, you can tell from how my hair is looking right now, and I haven't even applied coconut oil, but this is how my hair is looking and my scalp. So my hair is pretty much moisturized. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tie my hair back and make sure that I protect the ends of my hair. So
I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change.
So like this, I can have my hair moisturized for a whole week. And whenever I feel like my hair is dry, I just do exactly what I did, take it down and then moisturize my hair, and with simple routine, like a quick routine. I'm not doing a lot of things and I'm not piling a lot of products on my hair just because I want to moisturize it. So using aloe vera gel and an oil could be as simple as that, because again, you're putting in moisture and you're also sealing in the moisture for my hair. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like the content that I create. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.